Universal dash mount kits securely hold devices, improve driving safety, reduce distractions, and enhance convenience. My today's video is about top 5 best universal dash mount kits that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Syncwire Universal Dash Mount Kits, the Syncwire MagSafe car mount stands out for its solid build and reliable performance. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it feels sturdy and far more durable than typical plastic mounts. Installation is simple if you follow the steps carefully. Clean the surface thoroughly, wait a few seconds, press firmly, and allow proper curing time for best results. The extra-large 3M adhesive provides excellent grip, even in extreme temperatures, and doesn't risk damaging your dashboard like suction cups often do. Its strong and 52 magnets hold phones securely, even on bumpy roads, while maintaining a balanced magnetic pull. The 360 degrees rotation and foldable design add flexibility, letting you adjust angles easily or tuck it away when not in use. It also supports a wide range of devices, including non-MagSafe phones with the included metal ring. Overall, it's a dependable, well-designed car mount that prioritizes stability, durability, and convenience. Now our second product is Yibeico Universal Dash Mount Kits. These rubber duck holders are a fun and practical addition for any Jeep owner or duck collector. The set includes 20 holders and 40 adhesive stickers, offering great value and flexibility for decorating your vehicle. Made from durable PVC plastic, the holders feel sturdy and built to last. Installation is quick and simple. Just clean the surface, apply the sticker, and place it where you like. The adhesive is strong enough to keep your ducks secure, yet removes cleanly without leaving residue. The snug fit ensures your ducks stay in place, even while driving, but can still be removed easily when needed. What makes this product stand out is its versatility. You can place these holders almost anywhere: dashboard, bumper, mirror, or even the roof, making it easy to create a unique display. Overall, it's a creative, affordable, and reliable accessory that adds personality and charm to your ride. Our third product is Kaistyle Universal Dash Mount Kits. This MagSafe car mount delivers a sleek, modern design with impressive functionality. It's perfectly tailored for iPhone 12 to 17 series and MagSafe cases, attaching instantly without extra plates. For Android users, the included metal rings ensure wide compatibility, which is a nice bonus. The magnetic strength is excellent. Your phone stays firmly in place even on rough roads, sharp turns, or sudden stops. Combined with the strong VHB adhesive, the mount sticks securely to the dashboard and holds steady in all driving conditions. Its compact size is another highlight. It doesn't block your view, making it a safe choice for navigation and calls while driving. The 360 degrees rotation allows easy angle adjustment, giving you the perfect viewing position every time. While it doesn't support wireless charging, its stability, ease of use, and clean design make it a reliable option. Overall, it's a practical and stylish mount for everyday driving convenience. Now number 4, Guanda Technologies Company Limited. Universal Dash Mount Kits. The Guanda Dashboard Mounting Disc is a smart solution for uneven or curved dashboards. Its 5-layer design with a built-in flexible steel core stands out, allowing it to conform easily and create a stable, flat surface for mounts. This makes it especially useful where standard pads fail. The industrial-grade 3M VHB adhesive delivers impressive holding power, staying secure through vibrations, rough roads, and temperature changes. The large 82mm base adds extra stability, preventing wobbling or accidental drops of your phone holder or dash cam. It also performs well in extreme conditions, maintaining its grip without warping or loosening. Installation is straightforward. Just clean, peel, and press, and the red pull tab makes setup even easier. Plus, it removes cleanly without damaging your dashboard. Overall, this mounting disc is durable, reliable, and highly versatile, making it a great upgrade for securely installing various dashboard accessories. And our last choice is Jiechen Universal Dash Mount Kits. This anti-slip dashboard mat with a built-in phone holder is a practical and convenient car accessory. Made from durable PVC and ABS materials, it offers a stable grip that keeps your phone secure even during sharp turns or bumpy rides. The 360 degrees rotatable holder is a great feature, allowing you to adjust the viewing angle for navigation or hands-free calls without blocking your view. Beyond holding your phone, it doubles as an organizer. There's plenty of space for small essentials like keys, coins, sunglasses, and other items, helping keep your dashboard neat and clutter-free. One of its best features is the hassle-free setup, no adhesives or tools needed. Just place it on your dashboard, and it stays in place. Cleaning is simple too. A quick rinse restores its grip. Overall, it's a versatile and user-friendly product, perfect for daily use or as a thoughtful gift for anyone who wants a cleaner, safer driving experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.